back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 ways that I exfoliate my body so that I have silky smooth skin all year long. The first way that I like to exfoliate my skin is with a technique called dry brushing, and that is exactly what it is, the process of brushing my skin with a dry brush. With dry brushing, I'm able to remove dead skin cells in order to exfoliate my skin naturally. There are also claims that dry brushing can help reduce cellulite over time and that it can also help to improve your lymphatic system, which aids in removing toxins from our bodies. And since I don't have any cellulite, I haven't noticed how dry brushing affects that, and I also haven't noticed how it helps my lymphatic system as well. However, I have noticed how it makes a difference in the way that my skin looks and feels. Since I've been incorporating dry brushing into my shower routine, my skin is definitely softer and has a natural glow. Now when it comes to my dry brushing technique, I do this at least 2 times a week before I get into the shower. I start at my feet as you saw earlier, and I work my way up, making sure that I brush towards my heart. I do apply some pressure when brushing, but I don't brush so hard that it hurts. Now when it comes to purchasing your dry brush, you want to make sure that you're purchasing a brush that has natural bristles as opposed to one that has synthetic bristles. The brush set that I have here actually came from Amazon, and I'll put the links down below if you're interested, but it comes with the detachable handle, and it also comes with a face brush and a set of gloves that you can also use as well. So the second way that I like to exfoliate my skin is actually with the exfoliating gloves that come with the set that I purchased from Amazon. I love using these gloves because they are the easiest and most efficient way of the 3 techniques that I use. So when it comes to using my exfoliating gloves, I simply put on the gloves, wet them with water, apply my body wash, and then gently rub my skin in a circular motion to exfoliate my skin and to shower at the same time. Then once I've cleaned and exfoliated my entire body, I just rinse off and I'm done. And as I mentioned earlier, I love using these gloves because they're super gentle on my skin. And as you can see, I have a natural glow even though I'm under the water and my skin is super soft. And the last way that I like to exfoliate my skin is with a body polish. I really enjoy using a body polish at the end of my shower routine because it's a great way to not only gently exfoliate my skin, but it moisturizes my skin at the same time. And the particular body polish that I've been really enjoying lately is De La Shea Skincare's Pineapple Paradise Body Polish. This is an all-natural body polish that is enriched with ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil to leave my skin with a silky smooth feeling and a glistening glow. So to use this polish, I apply a handful of it to my wet skin and gently work it in at the end of my shower routine. I then let it sit for a minute or 2 and then thoroughly rinse it off. So those are the 3 ways that I like to exfoliate my skin so that it's super soft and has a natural glow all year long. As always, I thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. And until next time, have a great day. Bye!